everyone, today we are going to be making a rain stick. Awesome, let's get started. The things that you're going to need are a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, some foil, a dowel rod, tape, birdseed, beans, or rice, and markers to decorate your rain stick. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my foil long ways and roll it up into a stick. Awesome. Once it looks like this, we are going to take our dowel rod and our tape and tape one end of our foil to one end of our dowel rod. Now we're going to take the foil and coil it around our rod. And secure the end with more tape. Awesome. It should look like this. The next step we're going to do is take our paper towel or toilet paper roll and our dowel rod and put it right in the middle. We're going to take a long piece of tape and secure it. Just like this. Now we're going to tape again across. We're going to flip it over. The next step is to take our seeds and put them into the tube. Now we're going to tape it one more time, just like we did the other side. Now you should have something just like this. You can hear it. Awesome. Our last step is to decorate it however you like. Now you're all done.